It should be, you got a yellow handle like this. It should look like this. You know where your other one's at?
Nah, bro, it should be in here. Let's see what I got this. Damn, bro. Oh, right here.
Yeah, one of those. Yep, this one.
Definitely should have grabbed what you grabbed. Flip this around. You got them both out already? Damn. Huh.
That's all you need.
That
Yeah,
is.
that's what I said. You don't need that.
Yeah. Yeah, bro, what they teach you over there, man? Where you learn that at? That's that Castile? Yeah, that's that basics, huh? HVAC 101. Alright. Yeah, for sure. There we go. Oops. You think we need the screws too, or what?
I put them over here. I don't know, because I don't think we're screwing it in nothing.
Yeah,
I think we're just going to connect them and do all that.
Alright, that's good. Yeah. Nah, that's light. That's light work. What's FR?
Fan relay.
Oh, that's what I just grabbed. What's up? You got the fan relay. Hold on, Teach. Hold on. What's IBM though? You know what the IBM is, right? Induced blower motor. Indoor blower motor. All right.
And it's induced draft motor.
Induced draft motor. Okay, but that's an indoor blower motor. All right, bet.
Fan relay. That's your
Contractor.
switching relay. That's the brown thing you got from next door.
Man, wait, you said what?
The brown thing you got from the other.
Yeah, that's the heating relay, right? That's the fan relay.
Yeah. Fan relay.
So why you? But this the contactor.
That's the heating relay.
This the heating relay, or contact. Oh, okay. So the ones I got over there,
And you only need one.
I only need one of those, so I can put this down and just use the one I just grabbed from next
No,
door.
you gotta have one of the contactors or one of the relays.
All right, hold on. Let me bring this over to you. Okay. All right. Let me give you one of these, and it's how I'm coming. That's all I need. Yeah, big dog. And a heat strip.
How you doing, my man?
Alright, I want to do the same thing he doing.
Yeah, we on it.
What he doing?
Think I'm gonna go basic today. I don't really want to do too much. Yeah. We gonna go basic, bro, with the one. Yeah. All that extra shit.
Been here for about 3 hours trying to do that.
Yeah. For no reason. Oh, God. Damn. Brother.
We ever gonna go home?
Yeah, fuck that. Man, like I wonder if they ever fix that over there. That thing over there, because I definitely ain't finished it. Hell nah.
They ain't gonna put it back.
Yeah, hell yeah.
We got both. The ones over here on the left
Man,
is 80% gas.
I ain't got nothing to bet, nigga.
Heat pump
I wish I did. I bet $5 right now. I'll drop this.
is 90%.
Oh, come on, no. You know that was close as a motherfucker. Come on. All right, gang. Let's get to it, though.
Pretty much the same schematic, but I want you to wire your transformer in for 120 volts, okay? We may put a cord on it and power them up, okay? Test it. 24 volts on your output. This is your thermostat. You get your common and your hot. Your W and G is all we're using so far, okay? Your W is going to heat up or power up your coil on your heating contactor. Your G is going to power up the coil on on your heating relay. Show them what a heating relay is.
Where that heating relay at? What is? It's this one, right?
No, that's a contactor.
This is the heating relay right
That's a
here.
relay.
Gotcha.
Alright?
Yeah, yeah. Is it?
This right here, FR, that is all that relay. Okay? Make sense?
No.
Yep, yep. That's the relay.
All that's internal to that relay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? So that should make sense to you. This is normally open, common, normally closed. We're gonna power up indoor blown motor. We don't have the motor, but I want you to have the relay for us to power up the motor, okay?
Mm-hmm.
You have your heating element over there. Some have one, some have two. The one that has four only uses the top two, okay? Because we're missing the high limit and overloads on those. And wire your transformer in for 120, not 240 or 208. Wire it for 110, okay?
120 or 110?
110, 120, same difference. We're allowed plus or minus 10%. So we're still in range. So, make sense? This is what's gonna kinda kick you, but if you just pay attention to your terminals, should make sense to you.
Mm-hmm.
And if you need help, I'm right here.
Oh yeah, we ain't scared. Let's do it.
And when you get two thermostats, so use a thermostat or use a terminal strip.
Mm-hmm.
You may have to look at the chart. We don't have the thermostat wire, I don't think.
We got L1 to this, L1 to the heating relay.
Guess what? I have some.
Guess what?
So this the transformer. And then all that's gonna connect to the transformer somehow.
What up, man?
And I think that's when this comes in.
Transformer? Everything's in there.
Hmm.
Yep.
I think I'm getting it.
Or it should be.
I ain't gonna lie.
You got the connectors?
No, I don't got the connectors though.
Huh?
I see the nuts. I see your
Yeah, the nuts.
Yeah.
nuts dangling.
Yeah.
Sheesh.
Oh, PB.
Okay,
Run and get on that stuff.
that way.
Yeah.
Okay.
See if he's finished with them.
Go there. It's way too much info for me.
Shit, we gonna need more than this, huh? More than 4. Then we gonna have to connect them all up too. This what I'm thinking, bro. I'm thinking we gonna take this. We gonna take this to this. We gonna take it to this the heating relay, right? Or what? Contactor. Heating relay. So Mr. Walter,
Yeah.
so we gonna take L1 to this 3 different times? Cause this one I'm thinking L1's going to this. And then we go down, it gotta go
Just so you normally open.
to my normally open.
Look on your relay.
Yeah.
You just tread it on to the relay.
Okay, it goes to my
Normally open, normally closed, and a common.
Okay, so man. Hey, I could barely read it though. This is what's this normally closed, right? Or is it normally open? I'm not even sure.
We'll have to find it.
Open, close.
It's going, so the first one's going to the normally open. So we're going to go L1 to normally opening. And then we're going to go L1 to normally closed.
Is that what it showed?
Man, I could barely see. Yeah, it goes. Here, let me run up there. Damn. Let me run up there real quick.
Now L1 goes to the HR. Heating relay.
But it goes here
That's
first.
FR.
This is HR.
Right.
Oh, yeah. This FR, though.
That's FR.
Uh-huh.
Next one is HR.
Mm-hmm. So we start off, we go here to normally open. And then we go here to heating relay. And then L1 to another heating relay. Or it's the same heating relay, but just another prong. Alright. So there to normally open, and then, so the FR is what I just had in my hand, right? Or am I tripping?
No, that's, yeah.
And then the HR is the contactor.
Right.
Bet. Alright, we on that, for sure. Oh, for sure. A little bit, bro. We getting there, you know.
All you gotta do is turn the letters on.
Mm-hmm. Come on, gang. You getting there, bro?
Already got those on.
Yeah, I got to turn.
There, we was up there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, bro. This for us, man. I'm gonna give y'all the link. Like, nigga, this was a lesson today. I just gotta update the shit. I gotta update it, not update it, edit,
That should be
post the shit.
Probably can get some more from Romero if I need to.
There go them nuts. Yeah. Where you get the little blue ones from?
He just gave me grab some.
Okay. I do like this, but we got 4. I go 6. I go 8 for sure, There we go. Alright. This the crimp tool right here. It could be like metal, or I gotta cut these shorter.
Yeah, it gotta be shorter.
Gotta be shorter. Yeah. Alright. Damn. Stop it. Get right real quick. My hand cracking and shit. Bro. Nigga, this shit from driving, bro. Driving all the time. Ain't that, man? That shit be hurting. Like, I try to grab something heavy or something, that shit'll hurt like it's really pushing against my bone or something. Man, I done already spent my $30 on the doctor one time. I ain't finna be there every Tuesday. Oh, God, this is not gonna happen. I got to rock my hand for a second.
How you doing, man?
Bro, I don't know what, man. Ain't that what I need to do? Get some driving gloves. For sure. Nigga, I'll be on that road. Yeah.
That Mercedes Guinea.
Yeah, bro.
Mercedes Rari.
Oh my God. Man, bro, y'all hype my head up so much, nigga. I'm in a CLA, nigga. Y'all need to calm down, nigga. Oh God. Hey, my transformer. Yeah. Fan relay. Heating relay / contactor. And so normally open is this bottom one, right? This one right here because it don't got a line through it. Normally open, or is it this one because it's like flapped up, so it's normally open.
So see, the 2 is closed. Wait. 3 is open. 2 is closed. And 6 is open. That would be 5. 5 and 2. 6 and 3. So 3.
Type shit.
6.
Yep.
5, 2.
Yep. 3, 6. Five, 2. 5 and 2 is normally closed. 3 and 6 is normally open. 3 is both of these, huh?
Yeah.
3 is both of them. So we got 1, 2. Oh, we got 1, 3, 6, 4. And then we got 2 and 5. That's lit. Alright, yeah. Learn something new every day. You done got that, you gotta really pull on it, make sure it ain't going nowhere, it ain't. See, and then I got a double side, one of these. Let's scrap that. We came up from nothing, made it into something. Now with the
Need another one? I'll take it. Thank you, sir.
got that one.
Thank you.
Clip that on. Here you go.
How y'all doing?
I'm doing good. I don't know who else working on. I'm doing pretty good, man. Shoot, we figuring it out. Oh, he booming, so you know what I'm saying? You feel me? He for sure making it happen. Hold on, we got that too. Oh, let's go 3 actually. You gonna go that to 3? Go that to 3. Then we gotta get something going to, gotta get L1 to here. Either side, don't matter. Should have made it a little longer.
Do everything else first. When we do everything else, it'll fall in place. So go from the fan relay to the IBM.
Where's the IBM though? That's what I'm saying.
So that's gonna be
That's the transformer. And the transformer is just gonna take us to here. That's the only thing coming off the transformer if you ask me. That's what I think.
transformer. It's gotta get hooked up to L1, L2. So it's gonna be
What up?
The ceiling.
Ah,
Where's the pipe line?
what place?
Is this one?
Why?
Big piece of shit?
Yep.
Fuck. Alright, be right back. I'm gonna go over this. Holy
You
shit.
can do it.
I got break off.
and then
How you guys doing?
so right and green.
We doing, man. We doing.
Right and green. That's what I'm saying.
Oh God.
Yeah, red. That's what's gonna go.
Look, man, I ain't gonna lie. We got. I think I got too many things in this L1. I got 3 different things coming out of the L1. I got one for that's connected to the FR to the fan relay, and then I got 2 connected to the contactor.
One on each pole?
Yeah. No, I got 3 poles in total. I got, so I'm taking up 3 out of the 4. And that's what's I'm kind of confused on that, because now he talking about, you said what?
3 out of the 4 what?
3 out of the 4 little what they like the clips, like the things that we connect this to. What you mean?
I'm saying on the relay.
Nah, on L1, on the
Goes to the relay.
take.
One goes to the contactor.
Yep.
And if you got one on the other pole of the contactor.
Yep, that's what. All right, so yeah, that's 3 in total. Yep. All right, so I only got one more. He talking about that goes to the transformer.
One goes to the transformer, yeah.
One goes to the transformer. That's all we need, right? Hell yeah. All right. So
So that's
Put the
L1.
transformer into
we gonna
this,
go.
'cause it's gonna be the same thing.
Yep. So we gonna go red.
Now you said
So, yeah.
you want us to
Go
hook
red and common,
120.
Go red.
put white and green. So white is heat, green is fan.
Yeah, but the white and stuff, that's gonna go here. So you feel me?
So we gotta put a red. I guess the other red is your common.
Yeah. No, I think green is coming.
Fire goes
Green is
to the
fan.
relay.
Green is coming.
Fire goes to the relay.
Yeah, I can take a picture, nigga. Yeah, right here. You feel me? I clip it up. What you talking about? Yeah, bruh. It's easy as that. Hey, bro, these the things. I'm at work on the phone and shit, and nobody else can listen to music except for me, nigga. Shit. Yeah, my shit straight out my glasses. There ain't no headphones. What you talking about? Yeah, I'm making it happen.
Alright, I'm do that.
No, God. yeah, come on, bro.
So you need to get another box. I need more boxes.
Nah. Yeah, I'm really glad as fuck, nigga. The motherfucking courthouse called me. They said we gonna push your court date back another month. I'm like, for sure.
Stay on top of it though.
Really?
They be trying to get people with that shit.
That's what I'm saying. So it's like they done push
We're gonna push it back another month.
they push my insurance shit. Oh God, nah.
Tighten it down.
Yeah, yeah.
You ain't gotta wrap it in there. Straight in there. I gotta see what the bench does. I ain't looked at that bench.
Man.
I was telling him, Akeem, the bench.
Yeah, I gotta see what that bench talking about.
They got a little bench, but I don't think it's like Thunder's.
That's what I'm saying. You gotta have something coming off
They
that.
got real niggas that's coming off that bench and hooping. Everybody on the team hooping.
For real? No, for real. That's real. Like the West is okay and Spurs.
See, this first go
16.
around is to figure it out, which I need to get next year to really get them out of it.
Yeah, it's gonna be a fight.
Thunder.
And
They
B
can
gotta
match
stay
up with
healthy.
the Thunder. They just that they got that bench.
And then B gotta stay healthy.
Yeah, B gotta stay out. I don't think Embiid's playing. I don't think he's gonna play like that during the season.
I think that's the thing too. I think it's gonna be a light regular season, and then come postseason, it's gonna be up. It's gonna be up come postseason. Matter of fact, LeBron might be on ice a little bit.
I think so too. You got
Because if you save his energy for postseason,
I submitted. They pretty
yeah,
loud.
they both
It's
gonna
not
say
shit.
Brian gonna give you some.
Brian gonna say Henry good because he too old. He ain't trying to do all
Go
that.
back 7 days.
That's why he went there because he ain't got to do that.
Yeah,
You niggas go crazy. Average 30. That's what that would do.
for real.
I'm average mine on this time.
That's it.
Answer the mirror.
Put these anywhere.
Talk to him.
Yeah.
When you submit.
So what's the last? No, but I had done it already.
We've been here every day.
I know you're right.
We've been here every day.
Yeah. been here then. Yeah, stop playing.
It was the gas pipe section from
I'm not gonna say anything this time, guys. I'm gonna stay out
That's
of
what
it.
they were.
I'm not gonna say anything. No comment.
And I don't mean 7 class days, 7 actual days. For real?
That nigga said what? 7.
What's going on?
He's going for a record. He might go all the way.
This stuff's interfering with
I'm sorry. Yeah. Wow.
How much you charge?
$250 for the that bitch like Daisy Lane. Don't worry about my cup. I feel like Lil Wayne.
the wiring in the strip beat, that's your wiring schematic on the board.
Just show him getting paid.
You can pair up with somebody and get them to help you.
This shit is not screwed. Here we go. Righty tighty.
Oh, using that.
Thermostat,
You said what happened?
um,
Yeah, bitch in there. Hold on. Here we go.
yeah,
Start right there.
so,
Tighten. I don't think this thing tightens, bro. Oh, here we go. All right.
If not,
It's
go
tightening.
to the next one.
Yeah, no, that's there. You there? For sure.
What?
I should have a different
See, we
one.
got
Turn that bit off.
What? Yeah. Let me see.
This one right here should work.
If Ben's gonna use the star,
Damn, you done pulled them out. Nah, this one worked. This one perfect. Yeah, I can use a star.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. The star make it easy. You said we back on the system.
Oh shit. Things we all forgot.
Hey, that bitch start smoking. Yeah. I'm in the cut. So, shit.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Not slick.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Final product. We missing one wire. We got overload. We need that overload to go to here, and then we're gonna get another one here to L2. We ain't got the wires, but that's light work.
what you need,
That's light work. We all connected, ready to go.
connector,
That's it. Hell yeah.
hanging any on